Meaning of indescribably.
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 Indescribably. The word indescribably is an adverb that is used to describe something that cannot be fully expressed or communicated through words. It implies that the thing being referred to is beyond description or explanation in terms of its attributes, qualities, or characteristics. It is often used to emphasize the intensity, magnitude, or depth of the feeling, emotion, experience, or sensation that one might be struggling to convey. In essence, indescribably suggests that the phenomenon in question is so profound, complex, or inexplicable that it defies adequate depiction or expression in language.